We are done with the international rugby season. We are back with the URC and the Champions Cup. And then, of course, don't forget the Boks are finally in the 2027 World Cup pool. And by the looks of it, they will cruise through it and they will get to the playoff match and they will need to be on form from the minute get go because there's no such thing as a pool of death at the 2027 World Cup. There's no opportunity to really lose a pool game and then still strike form as you head into the playoffs. And then, of course, they are on a collision course with New Zealand. If everything goes according to plan, it is top of Pool A, top of Pool B. That's not if New Zealand gets past a tricky host nation in Australia in their pool clash. The Boks, New Zealand could meet each other in the quarterfinals, and one of them will be going home.